Hello, hello, hello. Hola, hola. It's time to meet again. It's time to meet. It's always exciting to meet with everybody. All of you ladies. I'm gonna do a side braid. It's a really cold day today, so I don't want to do nothing like high band or any of that. I want to just do a side braid. I'm brushing or combing my hair. I know some of you would like to see that. I first do my ends. See, when my ends are good, then I'll go higher. How's everybody? Talk to me. Thank you for all your comments, ladies. Oh, that makes my day. Saying thank you, you sharing, thank you for the ideas. Thank you for sharing your gift with us. I really appreciate all your kind words towards me. That only feeds me to keep doing more and more. So I'm excited. This is one of my passions, which is doing hair, and singing is my other passion. I love to sing.
In your family?
Yeah, of course, my family, my husband here. That is me. Like, I have always, since I was little, not too little, but you hairspray. When I was a teenager, I always wanted to sing, or an adolescent, I always wanted to sing. I always was in the recitals in school. I was. So, what are you doing today? What kind of hairdo? Have you tried any of the hairdos we have done? I know some of you have. Okay, we're gonna do a Dutch braid. And we're gonna bring it all down, all the way down. Okay? So remember, Dutch braid always goes under. See, we're going under right now. It's under. We're feeding from the back only. I'm not feeding the front or from the edge. I'm only feeding from the back. We're gonna make it big. You gotta keep bringing it towards you, comb it, okay?
Sí.
Be patient. See, right there. I need to see it. Let me see. make it tight right now. And then we're gonna start from here, bringing hair to our braid. Okay. We have icy roads today. That's not fun. Then I'm gonna grab again. See? See, I'm not pulling from here anything. I'm not grabbing. All I'm doing is from the back. We're gonna do one more time. Bring it here. Okay. Keep doing the same thing. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for saying thank you. And then we have a little bit left over here, you see. Okay, now it's time to rest the paw. Okay. Don't worry about this. We'll fix it as we always do. Right? So I'm gonna start pulling. I hope some of you bought the shampoo I use. I really like my shampoo. It's natural, it's plant based. Be patient when pulling braid. Just don't be afraid. Just pull as much as you like. It'll work out. You always can fix it if you don't like any. Hope all of you are getting ready, of course, to go to church. What do you guys do after church? You guys go out to eat? I do. Always. We're hungry by then. We are hungry by then. Our pastor always says, I'm between you and your meal. He's like, if you help me preach, we can be out soon. He knows. He knows us. He knows we like food. I have been in the same church for 20 years. I have seen growing our babies, now they're teenagers. It's beautiful. I love my church. So we're gonna keep bringing it down. This sweater is warm. And I think I'm gonna stop right here. Church luncheon today, German cuisine. Ooh, I'm jealous. Sounds fancy. Sounds good. Wow. Awesome. What's the celebration? We're at luncheon. What's going on? I didn't get the invitation. You didn't get no invitation, right, ladies? See, you can make it as thicker, as big as you like. And I think I'm all set here. See? And you can just keep doing it. It's nice. We do church luncheon is once a month. Ooh. Wow. You guys treat yourself good, huh? Try to do something different every time. We all enjoy eating. I know it. I'm in that line too. Right? You can say no to food. That's not good. I'm using my #1 Hold hairspray. That's a good idea. That's a good idea to do those luncheons. You know what? Okay. I'm all set with my braid here. We're gonna start doing our knot that I do. I like to do. I don't like to curl my hair much, as you all know. Because my hair is sensitive. I don't like to use much heat because it burns really fast. It gets burned really fast. So I don't like to do that to my hair, of course. I know what my hair likes and what my hair doesn't. So we're gonna use 2 small bobby pins and secure it. Where's everybody today, huh? Just see a few of ladies. And we're done. Your hair is always so beautiful. Oh, thank you. It's because you love me, I think. Okay, so we're gonna use, here you can cover your ear. It's gonna come loose, but it's okay because it's relaxed hairstyle. You don't need to be like so tied up and looking Chinese like this, but it'll come loose. So I like it like loose. If you don't like it, then you use a bobby pin, and then you bring it towards here, and you just bobby pin it to the braid, and you should do good. Let me get I always, let's see. I need to get my hair clips. What just happened? My husband opened this too much. He sets my camera. I'm sorry. I forgot to bring my things, but okay, here we are again. Like I showed you guys the other day, this is where I keep my things. It's small now. I gotta buy a bigger one. I gotta buy a bigger one. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do it on this side. Should I do it on this side? I'll do it on this side. And that'll do it. See? And our braid. Nice. I'm proud of myself. Cheer yourself up. If you accomplish a bun that you never done before, you have to celebrate like I do it. Okay, be positive. It's always good. So I'm excited. And then you hairspray it. And I'm all set, ladies. Love you all. Your hair is, thank you. I'm excited. You see the braid? Can you see it? And a haircut. It's freezing outside, so I didn't want to do anything. Wow. I want to look relaxed and enjoy our freezing rain out there. Love you, everybody. It was nice to work with you this morning doing our hair. Please share. I know this is a group and it kind of stays just for the group, but share it in the group so more views can be seen and then more girls can see what we can do with our hair. It's very important. Long hair don't mean boring hair. No. We can do many things with it. Okay? I love everybody. Enjoy service. Enjoy the Lord, the presence of the Lord. Enjoy your family today. Okay? Remember to love the Lord with all your heart, soul, and mind. Remember, I have my YouTube channel, Cynthia Hernandez. Come and subscribe in YouTube. Okay? And so we can share more ideas of hairdos with ladies. Okay, that needs it. Somebody might be like crying today. I don't know what to do with my hair. I want to look different. So when we share, it helps ladies. Okay? So, love y'all. Have a good day. Bye. Adios.